How to get Happn Premium. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get the Happn Premium. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your account, go to your profile from the top right. Then after you will find this premium offer section. Now in order to subscribe to the Happn Premium, you can tap on check out Happn Premium. After that, it will show you a variety of options from which you can select the one that you want. You'll get the options to activate premium for 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. You can choose the one based on your preference. After you select one, tap on continue. After that, you'll have to add a payment method and then make a payment. You can use your credit or debit card as you can see on the screen. After you make the payment, the premium will be successfully activated. So in this way, you can easily get Happn Premium on your phone. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.